We're going to show you how to get your SketchUp set up for what we need for here in class. So in Google Classroom, you'll find this initial post for SketchUp CAD program. And in here, you'll see the application and you can click on that to open it up. The template, which is this file right here, and the keyboard shortcuts you may want to open up. Now, I already have them opened up over here and ready to go as we draw. So I've already have them open up. You might want to get them open up so you have that list available. And then I'm going to click on the template and it's going to prompt me to download, or what I can do is click right here, connected apps in SketchUp for Schools. That's the one I want to use. It'll probably be the most quick and easy way to do that. It probably will initiate you to sign in. You can sign in using Google and choose your K-12 account. I'm already signed in, so it's not going to show up for me. So mine's going to look just slightly different than yours, but you're going to sign in and then it should open up to the template that I just had you open. So right here we see SketchUp template for woodworking. We can go ahead and save this with a new name if you want, or you can leave it with this for now. Right now, what we're concerned about is getting this set up. So the first thing I want you to do is come in here to these three lines right up here in the left-hand corner. And we're going to choose settings right here, app settings, and you're going to click that. Now, under general, you have autosave that's turned on and it's defaulted to 5 minutes. So I'm going to turn mine down to 1. So every 1 minute it's auto saving. You're going to still need to save your documents. So this is just kind of a backup. If something crashes on you, that it's going to save hopefully every last minute. I'm not sure what it's going to do to our speed, if it's going to make it laggy or not. If it does, we may need to come back or bump that back up. Also, this purged unused model, we're not going to, let's turn that off. So it's on ask me every time. Let's just put never, okay? Turn that to never, and that will not pester you every time you save. All right, so within this, then I believe we are done. There's a couple other things you could go through if you wanted to, but those are the things I need you to change. And then you can close this window. And what we're going to do now is set up some of our tool functions. So rather than coming over here and having to search through the different tools. So let's say I want to use my dimension tool or my zoom tool, and I've got all of these that I have to choose from. So I can't just quickly choose on it because I have to go into a submenu to find it. So what we're going to do is we're going to change it so we have keyboard shortcuts. And these over here on my list, these top ones are already set by SketchUp. So what we're going to do is go ahead and change some of them. You'll notice that tape measure is T, and we're going to actually change that so that a different tool pops up instead of tape measure. So how we do that is come up here to this dog looking thing. I think that's what it is, a dog fetching for us. And we're going to search. So for example, the first thing I'm going to change is text down here. So I'm going to type text, T-E, and you see it pops up there. Now mine already has a T in here, but yours is going to be blank. Whoops, I don't want backspace in there. I was trying to delete it so I could show you, but yours is going to be blank. It's just going to be a square over here. And when you click on it, you can set it. And then just when it says set shortcut, hit T for text. And it may bring up a window that looks like this, that it's already set. Would you like to change it? You hit OK, okay? Hit OK and override the tool, the tape measure tool. The next thing we're going to do is just come down this list and change these different things. So dimension is the next thing. So DIM, there's dimension. You're going to click on it, and remember, it's going to be a blank box. It looks just like this polka dotted box, and you're going to click on it and hit D. Then we're going to come down the list and go to front view. So front, there it is. I'm going to click over here and I'm going to hold Shift and 1 at the same time. And that's going to be set to my front view. And we can go to top view too. So let's do top view next. Top view. And we're going to go Shift 2. Shift and 2 at the same time will create that. Now, the other one we're going to want to do is zoom extents, and it's already got something in there, but we're going to change it to Shift E. So come up here and go to zoom and right here, Zoom Extents, and you'll have something like, it's not as simple as Shift E, it's something else. So just click on it and hold Shift E to change that zoom option to kind of match this Zoom window. So Shift E will be Extents, and it's similar to the shortcut for Zoom window. The last one I want you to do is for downloading your SKP file. So if I come in here and go to download, okay, download SKP, and let's put that as Shift 8. Shift number 8 at the same time. That way, when you need to download your document, you hit Shift 8, it will automatically download for you. So those are the shortcuts I want you to change for now. When you view this list, if there's more at the bottom of this, please go ahead and change those so that you have the tools that we need when I send you feedback and I say push Shift 1, that everybody's on the same page for class. So that's about it for setting up SketchUp for schools for our class. You can save this template if you want. The template we didn't adjust anything on, but we do want the white background when you're drawing. So the first time you open this up, you may want to change this to whatever view you're on. So if you're drawing the front view, then come up here and type front view. If you're drawing the side view, then type side view. And that way it's labeled. And you hit OK, and it may ask you, nope, it didn't ask us what folder to put it in. That's fine. And now this is my side view. So now when you open up SketchUp and you don't choose a template, you should have these recent files, and you can just simply select the one that you want to draw. So if you're working on the front view, come back and click on the front view. If you're working on the side view, click on the side view, and it will bring you back into that document so that you have it all stored right here. So there's the front view we'll be working on in one of our other videos. Hopefully this helps get you set up. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask.